From the outside, the 2026 Kia Seltos X-Line looks like the perfect expensive SUV. But upon closer inspection, there are a few things that leave me confused, even a little disappointed. Okay, so this is the 2026 Kia Seltos X-Line, and at first glance, it's one of the most handsome SUVs in its class right now. The design is bold, assertive, and has an immediately obvious aura of luxury. This X-Line variant is especially striking, all black, sportier, and more purposeful than the standard version. But usually, when a car looks this luxurious on the outside, our expectations are naturally high for the interior. And this is where I started to wonder, is the Seltos X-Line just selling looks? Or is it really worth it overall? As soon as I step inside, the modern feel is immediately apparent. The large, fully digital display, the neat layout, and the feel are almost like a high-end car. Even for an SUV in this class, this is one of the most thoughtful. Everything feels practical, user-friendly, and quite premium. But after I looked at it in more detail, there were a few things that struck me as a bit odd. Because in the X-Line variant, which is supposed to be the top of the line, there are actually several features that feel incomplete. And this is something that perhaps not everyone realizes at first. This is where questions begin to arise. Why does a car that looks so convincing instead feel like it's being held back in terms of features? After all, at this price and in this class, competitors are starting to offer more. And honestly, it's not about the small features. It's about expectations. Because when you buy the highest variant, you expect nothing to be missing. And when something feels missing, it's immediately noticeable. Now let's talk about the driving feel. On the road, the Seltos is actually very pleasant. The handling is light, comfortable for daily use, and the turbo engine, the power, is quite responsive. It's not the kind that makes you want to speed all the time, but more of a smooth and relaxed ride. The suspension is also quite soft, so it's still comfortable for city driving or long trips. Fuel consumption is still within the reasonable range. It's not super economical, but it's not wasteful either. And this actually fits the character of the car, which focuses more on comfort than maximum efficiency. So the question now is the 2026 Kia Seltos X-Line worth it? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. If you're looking for an SUV that 1. has a cool design, 2. is comfortable for daily use, and 3. feels modern, this car is very attractive. But if you're the type who pays attention to features, you should really check them out before buying. Because this car looks so perfect at first, but the real thing only sets in after driving it. In your opinion, is the Seltos X-Line worth it or not? Let us know in the comments. Let's discuss it together.